between a couple of cars there, but that's what they do. We need to be in the right hand lane because we're taking a right turn at the Pyewipe Roundabout, the third exit towards the test centre. So slowing down nice and early, trying to read the roundabout. Check mirrors, put the right signal on. A little bit of traffic on the roundabout. There we go, nice easy entry. Now the exit you have to be careful of. You need to switch to the left lane here, and you do that by pointing at the no entry signs. That gets you back in the left lane in plenty of time and stops incoming traffic trying to sneak into the left lane and taking your exit away from you.